Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We're the Bros That Stream. My name is Austin, behind me here is my brother Matt. We're coming at you with something different today. We're going to be unboxing a pair of Queen Rose 61-inch pregnancy pillows. We're going to be doing an unboxing, and at the end we'll give you guys a review of what we think. Pretty much what it is a U-shaped pillow for nursing mothers or anybody looking to get better sleep. What they do is they provide back support, neck support, as well as stomach support. And they even come with an outer cover that is washable. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, so here's that washable part I was telling you about. So you can zip this part off. This is where the two colors are. And then this other zipper here is where all the foam is. And you can actually take this stuff out and adjust the height of where your head sits. But we'll get more into that in a second here. So now, Matthew, please come over. We're gonna show you guys positions that we prefer when we're using these pillows. All right, this position with Matt being fully on his back, with the zipper allowing you to pull out some of the foam, gives you the ability to position the neck at the perfect level that you choose, so you get the perfect alignment with your spine. Then, we're gonna have Matt go on the side. This is how I prefer to use it, and Matt as well. And me and Matt are a little taller, so we're both around 6'2". So we like this pillow because it offers the perfect length to get our knee on top of the pillow. And then as it flips over to the other side, you'll see how it offers the back support, as well as lifting up this knee gives you the hip range to straighten your spine out, offering relief for lower back pain as well as neck pain as well. Now we'll go to the final position. And this is mainly used for when you're watching TV in your bed or just trying to read a book. But you put a couple pillows behind and then lay right back, and then you're able to read a book. So this is preferably what I do right before bed. Is even though I'm not sleeping on it, I'm still using it in the living room, you know, even in the couch. But it's easy to carry around. It's not too heavy, and overall, we do enjoy this product. All right, we just want to conclude on our rating on this product. Matt and I both came to the conclusion that we give it an 8.9 out of 10. The only reason we didn't give it a 10 out of 10 was just due to the lack of length. We think with our 6'2" height, we think a 72-inch long pillow will be better than what the 61-inch gives us. We also just think the color options are very limited in the size. But other than that, overall, we think it's a great product and we highly recommend purchasing it. Mom, you can't do that.